How to change the theme of your Gemini. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can change the visual appearance of your Gemini. So in order to change the visual appearance, in which you can only change the theme like dark mode or light mode in Gemini. So let me show you how you can do this. So in order to change the visual appearance, simply click onto the settings and help option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do this, you can see this theme option right here. You can simply hover your cursor over to this theme option, and from here you have three options. The first one is the system. So basically, if your Windows is in dark mode, it will automatically apply the dark mode. Then you have the light mode. If you wish to keep it at light mode only, you can choose the light mode. And the third one is the dark mode, which is currently right here. So if I switch to dark mode, light mode, you can see that now this is the light mode like here, or I can revert back to dark mode again. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.